Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling green hills, lived a curious little fox named Felix. Felix was not like the other foxes. He had a special talent for finding hidden things. One sunny morning, Felix woke up to a mysterious sound, a soft tinkling bell that seems to come from nowhere. Determined to solve this puzzle, Felix set off through the village. He followed the sound past the bustling market, where colorful fruits and vegetables were being sold, and over the gentle river, where ducks quacked happily. As Felix wandered, he noticed something unusual, a trail of golden feathers leading into the forest. Felix's eyes sparkled. With excitement, he picked up the feather one by one, his nose twitching with anticipation. The tinkling sound grew louder, guiding him deeper into the woods. Finally, Felix arrived at a small hidden clearing. There, sitting on a rock, was a tiny magical bell, glowing with a soft, warm light. Next to it was a little, sad-looking bird with shimmering feather. The bird looked up at the Felix with teary eyes. "Hello," said Felix gently. "Are you okay?" The bird sniffled and said, "I lost my bell while practicing my magical song. Without it, I can't sing properly and I feel so lonely." Felix's heart went out to the little bird. "Don't worry, I found your bell. Let's get it back to you." With great care, Felix picked up the bell, handed it to the bird. As soon as bird touched it, its feather brightened, and it began to sing a beautiful melody that filled the forest with joy. Felix listened with a smile, feeling happy to have helped his new friend. From that day on, Felix and the little bird became the best friend. They spent their days exploring the village and the forest, and every time the bell tinkled, it reminded them of the day that made the magic of friendship. And so the village thrived with laughter and song, all thanks to the curious little fox who loved to help.